Hey everyone, it's Hannah. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own website using Strikingly.
So to start, head on over to strikingly.com and sign up if you don't have an account yet. And if you already do, then sign in and it will take you to the dashboard. So as you can see here, I already have my site, my published site over here, and I'll be showing you how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by creating a new site. So click this button to start. And from here, Strikingly will take you to its library of templates. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to choose a template specific to your industry. So if you are looking for a store, a business, startup, creative, personal, or blog type of content, then you could just choose from here. So let's start with this one, creative. I use this one, so let's start editing this one. So once you've clicked that, Strikingly will take you to its generic site builder. So everything's customized, but not as customized and personalized as we'd like, because you'd still have to change the text, the wordings, and images you are branding. So how do we do that? Well, first, you would want to change the background. To change the background, you could just click over here. And from here, you already have some recommended images and more to choose from. But since I'm going to make it a bit more personalized as in the video, to match my branding, I'm going to be uploading an image. You could browse from your computer, or I'm just going to browse something that I've already done, so I'll be using this one. So here we have my customized image, and hit save. So now we have my image. So now that you have your image, let's do that again. Upload your image, and there we have it. Save that. And then we'd have to change our font. So make it more personalized, we'll do it like this. I like that text, and as you can see here, we could change our font style, add a link to the font if you're going to redirect it to your other website, your Facebook or Twitter page, or you could align it. But for this one, I'm just going to center align it, italicize, bold, underline, but let's keep it simple. I'm going to be just changing the font family, and here, as you scroll, you could look at the variety of fonts to choose from. So I'll be choosing a font from my brand kit, and here we have it. As for its color, then white would be fine. And I'm going to write down my tagline. And change color again. And there we go, personalized. If you feel that that's too plain, you could always add an image, or you could not add an image. But for this, let's try adding my logo. But let's make it more personalized, somewhat like this. Since that's a bit too big, we'll have to resize it. So here, click on Image Editor, and you could just resize it. Let's say 200, 300, and it strikingly immediately sizes it down for you. So now that you have that, your home page, we'll have to go to our About section. From here, you could look at your Home, About menu, and Contact section. But once we're done with our home page, we'll be going to our About section. You could establish whether you want it to be a single type menu or a section. For this, let's try doing something sectional. So, About Me. Segment About Me. About the owner. And this is just for reference. And we'll have to put in another color. I prefer colors more than image. And for this, I'll be using my brand colors. So here are my brand colors. And I'll just copy that and paste there. There we go. We have my brand color. And change the font once again, real weight. And here we could simply change the image once again to the image of your choice. So let's replace that with my face. There. Now that we have something more, here. There we go. That matches more. So we could add more text, and it's simple enough. You could add your own description. So Anna is a creative artist and social. Again, this is an example, so you could always go longer. And once again, we'll have to change our, there. So once you're happy with that, let's change it back. Once you're happy with the overall look of your About section, hit save. Remember to hit save. And we can move on to our menu, our services. Services you offer or your portfolio, whatever you like. So for this one, we'll have to change our background. I'll just be using an image that I've used before. So in this case, this image. And you would have to change all these images to your services. So what kind of services you offer. So for my services, I offer a social media package and a creative package. So let's go with the social media package. And we'll add a creative package. Oh, let's add that one more. There we go. And you could always remove the extra ones if you feel that there's a bit too much and you had to stick to two. So here, let's say our social media package and our creative package. And you can simply just add a description to your services, as what I did in this demo. So here. So to do that, we have to go to our menu. A contact, right? So for a contact, you could simply just edit this to your address and a contact form. So save that But if you want to get it to be more personal, you could always edit this, add a link to your Calendly account or your Facebook account, your email, or redirect them to a document, upload a file, and that's how you link it. But for this is just fine with me. So I'm just going to have to change the background and change it to another one. There we go. Just to finalize it. And there we go. And now that's done. It's simple, and you just have to add whatever you need to add in the text. But that's basically how you create a website from scratch. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.